What if I told you one programming language is powering AI, websites, automation, cybersecurity, and beginners are making money with it in less than 6 months? That language is Python. Python is a high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. But here's why it matters. Python was designed to be simple, readable, powerful. So why is everyone learning it? First, artificial intelligence. Companies like Google and OpenAI, and libraries like PyTorch and TensorFlow rely on it heavily. Second, web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask power thousands of websites worldwide. Third, automation. Imagine this: a script that converts files, a script that pulls data automatically, a script that turns 5 hours of work into 5 minutes. Fourth, ease of getting started. Python doesn't make you feel stupid. Its syntax is closer to English than almost any other programming language. In 2026, Python isn't just a programming language, it's a survival skill. In the next video, I'll show you how to write your first real Python program in just 10 minutes. And trust me, you don't want to miss that.